Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create an invoice in QuickBooks, and it's really easy and simple, guys. So on your QuickBooks dashboard right here, so you want to click on menu and you'll see this sales section right here. Go ahead and click on invoices. Okay, now we'll be redirected to this invoice page, and here you can see the number of invoices you have already created. But if you don't have an invoice created, that's okay. All you want to do is click on this button right here that says Create Invoice. Click on Create Invoice right here, and we're going to be redirected to another page where we can create an invoice. So what you want to do first is you want to select a customer. So if you don't already have a customer added, you can come here and add a new customer, and then you can add their details here. But if you already have a customer, guys, let me show you the details you require if you want to add a new customer. You would need to add things like maybe their title, their first name, middle name, last name, their suffix. If you want to add those are not really important. What's mainly important is the customer display name. And you can add things like their email, phone numbers, these kind of details, their address. And if you want to add any notes, attachments, or their payment methods, these kind of information. Maybe if they have an opening balance, maybe you're switching from a paper-based system to QuickBooks, you can add that right here and you can save. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to do it with an existing customer. But in your case, you can add a new customer if you want. So a customer is going to be Cool Cars. And if you want, you can send them an email as well. You can put in their email right here, and it will send an email to them. Of course, all their details will be picked up once you put the customer name in. Now, guys, if you want, you can add a tag if you want. So we have to choose a product, okay? What product have they purchased? So let's say they have purchased some garden lighting, and they bought 20 pieces at the rate of, let's say, $100, okay, for each. And if there's tax applicable, you can put that check mark, and it will automatically calculate the tax for you. And you can add more products here. For example, let's say they also bought the installation of these garden lighting, one installation at the rate of $500. That would amount to $500 right there. Of course, that is also taxable. And if you want, you can add more lines as well if you want, but we can leave it at that. I can remove this line if I want. Can remove that, only 2 lines. And then you can add a message on your invoice. For example, thank you for your business and have a great day. You can add these messages if you want. These are optional. And if you want, you can add an attachment if you want, but otherwise that is not really necessary. You can even give them a discount. For example, you want to give a percentage discount of 10% discount, it will automatically calculate minus $250. Or you can add a discount of a certain value. For example, a number. For example, you want to give them a $50 discount. So that would put the total to $2,450, and their balance they have to pay is this much. So what you can do, guys, you can make this a recurring thing. If it is maybe, let's say, a subscription, this could have been a recurring transaction. Or, guys, you can also, print and preview and check it out, or what the invoice would look like. Go ahead and click on print or preview, and you can click on print later, so you can print that later. This has saved the invoice right here, and we can go ahead and take a look at that later. For example, right now, this is a print preview. So this is Craig's Design and Landscaping Services, and we're billing to Cool Cars. The owner or the person in charge is Grace. Right there, as you can see, this is the invoice. You can download this. You can print it up. You can come download from here as well, or print. Click on print or download. Or you can do just save and send to the recipient. Okay, you can save this invoice to send it later. You can just save and send it to the recipient. And it's really that easy and simple, guys, to create an invoice in QuickBooks. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you in the next video.